I keep hoping that if I wear makeup that is very spring-like, that maybe spring will take the hint and come on over, because I am getting tired of this negative 20 degrees Celsius weather. Negative 20. Like, I know it's only February and technically we still have like at least another month and a half of winter, but I'm getting tired of it. Like, at this point I'll even take -5. The difference between -5 and -20 is like the loss of limbs outside. So I've decided I'm going to stay inside today and just play with makeup and wear blue liner in the hopes that spring will take the hint. Hello everyone! I'm here today to share with you guys a new buy type video, and today we're going to be testing out a primer that you guys really wanted to see me kind of do a full kind of first impression on, talk about how it wears throughout the day, do an update at the end of the day, show you guys up close what it looks like, and the product is, if I can find it, oh, here it is. The Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. And I thought this one was really interesting when it first launched on the Sephora website because it's $5. Like, what at Sephora sells for $5 other than like an itty bitty little like mini size of something? And even then, that's like $8.50 for like a tiny little mascara. No thank you. So when Sephora started carrying the Ordinary products, which is primarily a skincare brand, so they sell high-end skincare at a discounted price, or at least in comparison to a lot of really high-end skincare out there, especially in Sephora. And in case you guys have missed it, I am doing a giveaway in every single video for the rest of February. So this is what we're going to be giving away this time, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber to this channel. And also I want you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know what buy you guys want me to do next, whether it's a whole brand or it's a particular new launch, anything like that. If you see a comment down below as well of a one that you also want to see, give it a big thumbs up, because that way I know a lot of you guys want to see it. So good luck to everyone that enters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like buys and you want to see more of them in the future. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. And to start out with, as with all of my buys, I want to talk about the emoji, because if you are new to my buys, I do an emoji rating scale out of 5 particular emojis. And so I thought this time, because it's The Ordinary, I was trying to think of something that kind of made sense with it, and the only thing I could think of was it kind of sounds like basic. And when I think basic, I think avocados. So we're gonna do avocados today. So 5 avocados out of 5, we're thinking like that perfect ripe avocado. Like you cut it open and you're like, yes! Versus, you know, the 1 avocados out of 5, which is the rock hard one that stays rock hard until it's rotten. Nope, not today. Nope, not today. Oh, it's rotten. I'm telling you, avocados are fickle. So now let's zoom in and apply this to the face. All right, so it says on the Sephora website that this has adaptive silicones in it, not just any silicones. Adaptive ones. And it's going to matte and hydrate. How can you mattify and also hydrate? Anyway, it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter, but continuing. It's going to allow your makeup to last longer on the skin, reduce the look of pores, and like it does a lot of things. All right, let's test this out. Normally I wouldn't use something this thick all over my face, but we are going to, in the name of testing out a product today. So I'm just going to dot it on the skin and just sort of see what it looks like, see what it feels like. It's definitely like very slippery, like a silicone primer is. It doesn't have any sort of like a scent to it or anything. It's very smoothing. It definitely does feel like I have something on my skin though. It doesn't feel like it's like sinking in at all, which is probably the whole like silicone thing. And the foundation I'm gonna use today is the Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula, because I know how this one wears. I've been using it for a while and I really, really like it. And I wanna use one that I've already used before and I know how it wears. And I have to use 2 different colors because I am 2 different shades right now. So far so good, nothing super noticeable. It's not pilling on the skin at all. The foundation right now doesn't seem to be disrupting the primer on underneath, which is good. So far my skin looks good. I think the big test will be at the end of the day when we wrap it up and we see if my foundation is actually still on my face, if I'm still mattified, if my pores are looking minimized, all that stuff. So I'm gonna set this now with powder and do concealer and all that stuff, and we'll be right back. So here's a close-up of what my makeup looks like, what my skin looks like when everything has been set, and it looks really good. I would say that my pores look minimized. I would say my skin looks like skin, and it isn't looking cakey, it isn't looking greasy, everything is set nicely. It's not like, wow, this is the best primer I've ever used in my entire life, but it seems to be looking good so far. I mean, I have just applied my makeup. I would hope it looks good, but I will keep you guys posted. So I am going to go about the rest of my day and I'll see you guys tonight. So it is now the end of the day and it's actually almost the beginning of a new day, as it is currently 11:43 at night. Because I applied this makeup on a little bit later in the day, around noon or so, I wanted to give it plenty of time to kind of sit on my face. And the verdict is like, I don't know, I'm not that impressed. My makeup has come off around here, on my chin. My pores look super enlarged. Like, I'm not seeing the whole like blurring benefits to it. Like, I don't know, it seems fairly ordinary to me. Like, is it the worst primer I've ever used? No. Did it like blow me away though? Not really. So based on having worn this only once for an entire day, I would rate this as like a 2.5 avocados out of 5. Like, it's one of those avocados that you get in the dead of winter and it's like, it's ripe, but it doesn't taste very good. It's not like those prime ones in the middle of summer that you just need in your life and you make so much guacamole. Can you tell I miss avocados? So yeah, this didn't really wow me. I don't have oily skin though, so maybe it works for people who have oilier skin, as the mattifying benefits are in there and all that stuff. But in terms of like any sort of blurring or keeping makeup on, like long-lasting benefits, I'm not buying it. And that's everything for this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you love my buy or buy type of videos. And if you have any requests, leave them down below, which will also enter you in today's giveaway. Don't forget to check back for new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that's everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing week so far, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you, girls. Mwah.